Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make cake at home very easy. First, gather your essential ingredients like all-purpose flour, granulated sugar, large eggs, and unsalted butter. Make sure all your ingredients are at room temperature. This helps them combine smoothly for a consistent batter. Don't forget to preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, preparing it for perfect baking. This simple preparation sets you up for success. Now, let's get to mixing. Start by creaming your softened butter and granulated sugar together in a large bowl until the mixture is light and fluffy. Next, beat in your eggs one at a time, making sure each egg is fully incorporated before adding the next. Then, alternate adding your dry ingredients like flour and your wet ingredients such as milk to the mixture, beginning and ending with the dry. Mix until just combined. Once your batter is ready, pour it evenly into a greased and floured 9-inch round cake pan. Place it in your preheated oven and bake for approximately 25 to 30 minutes. You'll know it's done when a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. After baking, let the cake cool in the pan on a wire rack for about 10 minutes. This helps prevent it from sticking when you invert it. Finally, the fun part, frosting and enjoying your delicious homemade cake. While your cake cools completely, prepare your favorite frosting. Once the cake is entirely cool, apply the frosting evenly over the top and sides. Slice and serve your beautiful creation to friends and family. For more great deals and to check out those leak-proof containers for easy meal prep, be sure to look at the links in the description below. Enjoy your baking success!
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.